Upgrade outdoor cooking with powerful, reliable grills designed for flavor, heat control, and lasting durability. Best gas grill under $500 delivers excellent heat distribution, easy ignition, spacious cooking surface, and dependable performance for backyard barbecue enthusiasts seeking value every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Chef's Gas Grill. The Cuisinart Chef's Gas Grill is built for users who want quick setup, strong performance, and portability in one compact package. One of its biggest advantages is how fast it gets ready for cooking. With a tool-free design, it can be fully assembled and ready to use in under 10 minutes, making it a strong choice for spontaneous grilling sessions, camping trips, or small backyard gatherings. The lightweight frame further enhances its portability, allowing it to be easily carried and stored without hassle. Despite its small size, this grill delivers impressive cooking power. It features 2 stainless steel burners, each producing 10,000 BTU, giving a combined heat output that is more than enough for grilling meats, vegetables, and seafood efficiently. The independent control knobs allow users to create separate heat zones, which is especially useful when cooking different types of food at the same time. The electronic ignition system ensures reliable startups without repeated attempts or frustration. The stainless steel cooking grates are another strong highlight. They provide even heat distribution across the surface, helping food cook consistently without hot spots. Whether you're grilling thick steaks or delicate items like fish fillets, the surface maintains stable heat control. The compact cooking area is well optimized, offering the functionality of a larger grill in a space-saving design. Number 2. Weber Spirit Gas Grill. The Weber Spirit Gas Grill stands out as a premium backyard grilling option designed for users who want consistent performance, durability, and precision cooking. It is engineered with advanced heat control features that make it suitable for both beginners and experienced grillers. One of its key highlights is the Boost Burner system, which delivers significantly higher heat output in the sear zone. This allows users to achieve restaurant-quality searing with rich crust formation on steaks, burgers, and chops. Another major advantage is its precise temperature control. The grill heats up quickly and maintains even cooking temperatures across the entire surface. This eliminates uneven cooking and ensures that food is grilled consistently, whether you are cooking delicate vegetables or thick cuts of meat. The Snapjet ignition system adds convenience by allowing each burner to ignite individually with a simple push-and-turn motion, making startup fast and reliable. The Weber Works side rails enhance functionality by allowing users to attach accessories such as tool hooks and storage components. This keeps the grilling area organized and improves workflow while cooking. The porcelain-enameled cast iron grates are designed to retain heat efficiently and distribute it evenly while also being easy to clean after use. Number 3. The Royal GA5401T Gas Grill. The Royal GA5401T gas grill is designed for users who need large cooking capacity and versatile heat control for family gatherings and outdoor parties. Its standout feature is the spacious 602 square inch total cooking area, which provides enough room to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. This includes a primary grilling surface and a warming rack, making it highly practical for handling large meals without overcrowding the cooking space. This grill is powered by 4 main burners, each delivering consistent heat for everyday grilling needs. In addition to the main burners, it includes a dedicated sear burner that produces high heat for steakhouse-style searing. There is also a side burner, which adds flexibility by allowing users to prepare sauces or side dishes while grilling. This multi-zone heating system makes it a highly functional outdoor cooking station. The stainless steel lid plays an important role in heat retention, helping maintain steady cooking temperatures while enhancing flavor infusion. This improves efficiency and ensures evenly cooked results. The construction also supports durability, making it suitable for frequent outdoor use in different weather conditions. Another practical feature is the side shelf, which provides additional workspace for utensils, ingredients, and serving trays. Number 4. Master Foldable Gas Grill. The Master Foldable Gas Grill is built for users who want strong grilling performance combined with practical storage and portability features. It is equipped with 3 stainless steel burners that deliver a total output of 30,000 BTU, providing steady and powerful heat for a wide range of cooking needs. The integrated ignition system allows for quick startup with a simple knob turn, ensuring convenience every time you begin grilling. One of its standout qualities is its solid stainless steel control panel, which enhances both durability and appearance. The control knobs are designed for smooth operation, giving users precise control over heat levels. A built-in thermometer on the lid allows for accurate temperature monitoring without needing to open the grill, helping maintain consistent cooking conditions. The cooking area is generously sized, offering 472 square inches of total space. This includes both the primary grilling surface and a warming rack, making it suitable for family cookouts and regular outdoor use. The layout provides enough room to cook multiple items at once, improving efficiency during busy grilling sessions. Practical design elements further enhance usability. Number 5. Captiva SQIN Gas Grill. The Captiva SQIN Gas Grill is a versatile outdoor cooking system that combines both propane gas grilling and charcoal grilling in one unit. This dual-function design gives users the flexibility to choose between fast, controlled gas cooking or the traditional smoky flavor of charcoal grilling. Each grilling section operates independently, allowing simultaneous cooking methods for different types of food. The grill offers a large 690 square inch total cooking area, including a spacious primary surface and a warming rack. This makes it ideal for large family gatherings, parties, and outdoor events where multiple dishes need to be prepared at once. The independent control system allows users to manage heat levels separately for gas and charcoal sections, increasing cooking flexibility. A key upgrade in this model is the porcelain enameled cast iron grates. These grates combine the durability of cast iron with the non-stick and rust-resistant properties of enamel coating. They also help distribute heat more evenly across the cooking surface, ensuring consistent results whether grilling meat, vegetables, or seafood. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.